Hey, Mr. V here with an important deal alert here. There's a Kookaburra Privy, Snake Privy coin for 22.87 on Gainesville. I think they only have like 15 coins left, but they may add more later. Who knows what they will do. So first come, first serve. The maximum amount 10 per person. All right, so take a look at this. I'll put all this link stuff in the description below, and I have more here from Gainesville, so just bear with me here. The Kookaburra proof coin is also here available on Gainesville, and this is going for 69 bucks or something like that, $70 credit card. You can only buy 3 per person, so you can add this with the Snake Privy coin if you want. And Gainesville is known to charge a pretty hefty amount for shipping, but if you buy a free shipping item, you'll be able to get free shipping. So I'm going to show you the list of the coins there. Alright, so here is some of the free coins, free shipping if you buy any of these coins. These are kind of expensive, so maybe this gilded goat for 50, this says 55, but it's really 57. But anything really, like anything that you think you might be interested in buying, they have it here. And there's 3-4 pages of stuff. I'm just gonna just show you these first page stuff, and that's the deal from Gainesville here. So I just wanted to get this out to you guys. So hopefully all of you can take advantage of this deal, and I'll be updating you with more info for some other stuff that's been happening. It's been a very busy January and February, so I'm behind on my videos, so I'll get back to you with those updates soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you guys a little later. Bye.